Law Talk with Lampasas attorney Natalie Bennett, talking about a legacy binder this time. Never gave it much thought, but it does make sense.
It does.
Welcome to Law Talk with attorney Natalie Wallace Bennett.
So today we're talking about what's called a legacy binder or a death binder. It will make life so much easier for all of those left behind if you pass away. Having a binder will help your family know what to do and what you want them to do, which is the most important, because it takes the burden off of them to try to guess what you wanted and to try to find your stuff. Think about where are the important documents that somebody would need if you were very ill in the hospital and couldn't tell them. Or if you died, where is everything they would need? Where are your medical papers? Where's your health insurance card? Where are all the things and documents that they might need if you have a medical issue? If you pass away, what assets do you have? In the old days, we didn't have the internet and you could just wait and eventually a bill or something or a statement would come to the house. We don't have that anymore. With the internet, a lot of us have, paperless billing. And so none of those bills or statements ever come to our house through the mail. So if somebody doesn't know, they wouldn't even know that there's a bank account with the money in it that is payable on death to them. How do you get it? What I suggest is that you get a 3-ring binder. You can buy one at Walmart. Our Walmart here has them. First, you put all your legal documents. So you put your will, your living will, your medical power of attorney, your durable power of attorney, all of that in there. So all your legal documents are right there. Then you put all of your medical documents. So put a copy of all your health insurance cards, any kind of medicines you're on. Maybe if you are on a lot of medications, maybe a printout of your latest medications that you're on, any type of information that you would want someone to know if you couldn't tell anyone, put that in there. Then if you have any life insurance policies, you should put your copies of all your life insurance policies in there. Then you should have a section with all your accounts. The easiest way to do it might just to be put one statement from every account. That's like bank accounts, checking accounts, savings accounts, your bills too, statements like your utility bill, your electric bill, your credit card bill. If you have one statement, it should have the account number on it and your name and then the place to contact so that it would have the contact information for the bank or for the credit card company where you could get a hold of them. And I know it sounds overwhelming and stressful, but think about how overwhelmed and stressed your loved ones are. They're already grieving that you're not there and they're so stressed out. And then to have to hunt for all of those things, it's almost overwhelming for a lot of people. And the last few things are a copy of your birth certificate, your social security card, and your passport, copies of any deeds or ownership, like car titles. And then if you have any funeral arrangements or plots, or if you have any directives or directions as to what you want on your funeral, put that in there. It doesn't have to be fancy, and it's so much easier to follow someone's instructions than to stress out over it and guess. And the last and most important one that everyone forgets, but it's probably almost the most important, is passwords. Have a little book or have something that have the passwords and the logins to all of your important accounts, because so many of our financial accounts now, they're all online and you can only get into them with, the login and the password. And so please don't forget to leave passwords in that binder. I hope that you can find time somehow, make it one of your goals for the year and make you a legacy binder. This has been Law Talk with attorney Natalie Wallace Bennett, board certified attorney in child welfare law by the Texas Board of Legal Specialization. If you are in need of an attorney, check us out online at nataliebennettlaw.com or stop by one of our locations on the square in Burnett or on the square in downtown Lampasas.
The information you obtain is not intended to be legal advice, and this broadcast does not create an attorney-client relationship. Consult an attorney regarding your individual situation.
Good information to know.
That is.
Yeah.
Gosh, I don't even know. I should write down all my passwords. So just
You
in
don't
case.
even know your passwords.
I know. I'm going to have to figure that out too.
Your poor family. Anything ever happens to you, they're just say, I'll forget it.
There's no point.
Yeah. Only thing you're going to leave behind is your YouTube accounts.
With no password.
With no password. Okay. 7:48. You know what's going on next week? with Natalie?
Oh, no.
Okay. Oh, it's a surprise.
I forgot.
7:48. It does it before 8. A Lamp Passes Real Country. Today's hits, yesterday's favorites. Good morning.
Ken and Casey in the morning.
I've suffered so long. Why can't I die?
Lampasas Real Country, KLTX TV. Today's hits, yesterday's favorites on iHeartRadio.
Log Cabin Cafe in Kempner, Texas is an American-style restaurant, the ideal destination. Enjoy fresh made-to-order dishes.